Hello and welcome back to another episode of our weekly weather and travel roundup. I hope you have been enjoying a bit of sunshine lately, or at least dodging the rain with style. As always, I am here with your weather forecast for the next 3 days, covering Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We will look at the UK first, then Europe, then Hong Kong, and as always I have picked one lovely UK destination for a little travel special that matches perfectly with the best weather. So let's jump into the forecast. Starting with London, we are looking at 3 pleasant days ahead with temperatures between 22 and 26 degrees Celsius, mostly sunny on Thursday and Friday with some light clouds moving in on Saturday but no rain expected. Manchester will be partly cloudy on Thursday and a bit cooler with a high of 21 degrees, but Friday and Saturday look drier with some sunshine peeking through and highs up to 23. Birmingham is shaping up nicely with warm weather and clear skies, especially on Thursday and Friday, highs around 24 and lows of 14. Glasgow and Edinburgh will be slightly cooler as usual, with Thursday and Friday bringing light showers, highs of around 18 to 19 degrees, and Saturday finally drying up a bit with partial sun. Sheffield and Leeds are looking fair, partly sunny with highs around 22 and mostly dry conditions for all 3 days. Now, out of all the UK cities, Canterbury looks like the winner this week. With sunshine forecasted for all 3 days and daytime highs of 25 degrees and no rain in sight, this charming little city in Kent is a perfect pick for a short break. So let's take you there now on a 3-day, 2-night getaway to beautiful Canterbury. Arrive on Thursday morning and take the train straight into the historic heart of the city. Start with a relaxed walk along the King's Mile, a collection of quaint shops and tea rooms surrounded by medieval buildings. Visit the stunning Canterbury Cathedral, one of the oldest and most famous Christian structures in England, where Thomas Becket was famously murdered in the 12th century. For lunch, try a cozy local pub like the Parrot, which claims to be the oldest pub in Canterbury, serving traditional Kentish pies and ales. In the afternoon, take a punting tour along the River Stour. You can sit back and enjoy the views as your guide tells you stories of Canterbury's long history. Dinner can be a bit special. Try Café du Soleil by the river with wood-fired food and a relaxed, warm atmosphere. On Friday, start with a trip to the Canterbury Roman Museum, where you can walk across real Roman mosaics and see artifacts found beneath the city. Then explore Westgate Gardens, a peaceful riverside park perfect for a picnic or quiet reading. If the weather is still shining as expected, rent a bicycle and ride out towards the nearby village of Chartham along a scenic route. On Friday evening, return to town for a relaxed dinner, maybe fish and chips from Os's, and catch a local play or concert if anything's on at the Marlow Theatre. On Saturday morning, stroll through the Goods Shed Farmers Market and Food Hall, pick up some local cheese or bread for the train ride home. You will feel like you stepped into history, had fresh air, culture, and a bit of delicious British food. Now let us look quickly at the weather across parts of Europe. Paris will be warm and sunny on Thursday with a high of 28 degrees, a few clouds moving in on Friday and a chance of thunder on Saturday. Berlin is mild and breezy, highs between 23 and 25 with mostly dry weather and great conditions for a walking tour or outdoor cafe. Barcelona, as always, is heating up with bright skies, highs around 30 degrees and sea temperatures perfect for a quick swim. And lastly, in Hong Kong, expect warm, humid air with daily highs around 31 and a mix of sunshine and occasional showers with the chance of a thunderstorm on Friday. Before I go, let me tell you a little story from Canterbury. Last time I was there, I tried to impress my friends by joining a ghost tour at night, thinking it would be a light laugh. Turns out it was a lot darker and spookier than expected, and when someone dressed in Victorian costume jumped out at us, I screamed louder than the kids in the group. My dignity was lost, but at least I bought everyone hot chocolate afterwards to recover. So if you want a peaceful but charming escape this weekend with sunshine, history and great food, Canterbury is calling your name. That's it for now. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe and tell me in the comments which UK town I should explore next. Take care, and I will see you next time.